Good morning, students. Today we have to learn about the reaction of metal carbonate and metal hydrocarbonate, hydrogen carbonate with acids. Simply here, hydrogen carbonate means bicarbonate. Hydrogen carbonate means bicarbonate. So that's why here is a reaction of carbonate and bicarbonate, means metal carbonate and bicarbonate with the acids. So for explaining this, here is a one activity. So here is a test tube. Into that test tube we have to add a sodium carbonate. So let's read this out. Take two test tube A and B. Take two test tube A and B. Take about 0.5 gram of sodium carbonate, that is Na2CO3, that is Na2CO3, 0.5 gram of sodium carbonate, that is Na2CO3 in test tube A, and 0.5 gram of sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is NaHCO3, that is NaHCO3 in test tube B. Now we have to add 2 ml of dilute HCl in both the test tube. हमें दोनों टेस्ट ट्यूब में क्या करना है, 2 ml of dilute HCl ऐड करना है. Now what we observe here there is a one test tube, that is here we add a sodium carbonate, that is a Na2CO3. We have to add the hydrochloric acid, 2-3 drops of the hydrochloric acid here. Then the gas is generated, and we have to connect the delivery tube into that big test tube into the another test tube. Into that test tube we have to add the calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide means CaOH/2. यहाँ पे हमें कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड ऐड करना है, एंड द गैस विच इज जनरेटेड, विच इज डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड इनटू द टेस्ट ट्यूब by the delivery tube. Okay, now here are the reaction for this. For test tube A, that is Na2CO3, which is a sodium carbonate, react with HCl, means when we add 2-3 drops of HCl, that is it is, we will get salt, water and carbon dioxide. So here look this reaction. When the base, that is NaOH, react with metal, we will get the salt and hydrogen gas. But in this reaction we will get salt, water, but extra is a carbon dioxide. In common reaction of acid and bases, कॉमन एसिड बेस के रिएक्शन में, न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन में हमें मिलता है सॉल्ट प्रोडक्ट एंड वाटर. ये दो प्रोडक्ट हमें कॉमन मिलते हैं, बट इस रिएक्शन में हमें एक्स्ट्रा मिलेगा CO2. वाई? बिकॉज द रिएक्टेंट, दैट इज सोडियम कार्बोनेट, इट इज कंटेनिंग द कार्बोनेट ग्रुप. सो दैट्स वाई इन द प्रोडक्ट साइड वी गेट CO2. Then this is a reaction for test tube B, means for NaHCO3, sodium hydrogen carbonate, it is also reacted with HCl. We will get sodium salt, that is a sodium chloride, water and CO2. So now next, the reaction for evolution of the carbon dioxide gas. It is very important which reaction it is involved into the evolution of the carbon dioxide. So यहाँ पे हमें कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इवॉल्व हो रही है या नहीं, इसके लिए एक टेस्ट है, दैट इज हियर इज अ इवोल्यूशन रिएक्शन. हियर इज अ इवोल्यूशन फॉर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस. सो दैट्स वाई वी हैव टू कनेक्ट दिस डिलीवरी ट्यूब इनटू वन एक्स्ट्रा टेस्ट ट्यूब. इनटू दैट टेस्ट ट्यूब वी हैव टू ऐड कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. किस लिए हमें ये कर रहे हैं एक्स्ट्रा? बिकॉज वी कैन चेक whether the gas is produced, it is carbon dioxide or not. So for checking the evolution of carbon dioxide gas, we have to check this out. Okay, now how we check? But this is first, let's look here. Here is this test tube. Into that test tube we have to add a calcium hydroxide. Now here is a transparent. It is a transparent. Why it is transparent? Because it is soluble in water. Because it is soluble in water. So that's why it is transparent. When the carbon dioxide gas it is mixed with this, then this transparent solution it changes to milky color. It changes to milky color. Why milky color? Because here calcium carbonate is formed, and which is a white PPT, which is a white PPT, which is insoluble in water, which is insoluble in water. So that's why it is a white PPT, calcium carbonate. So reaction for this gas means carbon dioxide gas, it is lime water means calcium hydroxide. Here it is a carbon dioxide gas, the gas which is liberated from this reaction, it is come to into that test tube. We will get calcium carbonate. We will get calcium carbonate which is a PPT, that is insoluble in water. PPT means white substance, it is insoluble in water and water. Okay. So now that means the transparent color of calcium hydroxide is changes into milky. It means that there is a presence of carbon dioxide gas. That means it is a presence of carbon dioxide gas. This is very important question. Okay, you have to write the reaction, that is carbon dioxide gas evolution test. आपको लिखने को आएगा एग्जाम में. Then this is a actually the reaction. But what happened when we pass the excess of carbon dioxide gas from here to here? अगर excess of carbon dioxide gas हमने पास कर लिया, excessive carbon dioxide gas पास कर लिया, then what happened? See here when we pass the excessive carbon dioxide gas, then it will get the calcium hydrogen carbonate, which is soluble in water, पहले हमारे पास था insoluble substance जो कि CaCO3 था, white PPT. But when we pass excess of carbon dioxide gas, then this milky color of the CaCO3 changes to transparent color of calcium hydrogen carbonate. Here it is a calcium hydrogen carbonate. Milky color changes to transparent color. Okay, now next, how the acids and bases react with each other. अभी यहाँ पे हमें देखना है कि रिएक्शन ऑफ एसिड्स एंड बेसेस की. सो सिंपली when acids and bases are react with each other, simply we get salt and water. Remember this thing, एसिड और बेस रिएक्ट होंगे तो हमें प्रोडक्ट में मिलेगा सॉल्ट एंड वाटर. नाउ हियर इज अ वन एक्टिविटी गिवन. टेक 2 ml of dilute NaOH means base. In test tube. Add drops of phenolphthalein indicator. So let me clear it out. Phenolphthalein indicator is a transparent in color. पहले उसका कलर ट्रांसपेरेंट होता है, बट व्हेन बेस उसमें ऐड हो जाए तो उसका कलर हो जाता है पिंक. बट व्हेन एसिड एडेड उसके कलर में चेंजेस बिल्कुल भी नहीं आते, मीन्स इट्स कलर डज नॉट चेंजेस. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज द कलर ऑफ सॉल्यूशन? Color of solution is pink. When we add base, the color of solution is pink. Now next, add dilute HCl, means हमें एसिड ऐड करना है उसके बाद ड्रॉप बाय ड्रॉप. देन इज देयर एनी कलर चेंज ऑफ द रिएक्शन? यस. देन कलर इज चेंजेस इनटू कलरलेस. फिर सॉल्यूशन हो जाएगा कलरलेस. जब भी एसिड ऐड हो जाएगा तो उसका सॉल्यूशन कलरलेस हो जाएगा. Now why did the color of phenolphthalein changes after addition of acid? See, first phenolphthalein it is a transparent in color. When acid add होगा तो उसका कलर बिल्कुल भी चेंज नहीं होगा. Okay, so that's why the phenolphthalein is not changing its color by addition of acid. Now after that we have to add few drops of NaOH again. Now does the pink color of phenolphthalein appears? Reappear होगा? Yes. After addition of NaOH again, the pink color is reappeared. Now here is a reaction. NaOH means base, react with acid means HCl. We will get a salt, that is NaCl is a salt, and water. Here is a common reaction for this. Now reaction of metallic oxide with acid. हमें अभी देखना है metallic oxide की reaction with acid. Reaction of oxides, metal oxide with acid. Here also we will get salt and water. Here also we will get salt and water. Now let's take a look here. Take a small amount of copper oxide in a beaker. हमें क्या करना है? कॉपर ऑक्साइड लेना है बीकर में. नाउ डाइल्यूट हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड उसमें स्लोली ऐड करना है. नाउ ऐड डाइल्यूट हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड स्लोली. नाउ व्हाट हैपन? कलर ऑफ सॉल्यूशन. नाउ व्हाट हैपन देन? We observe that what we notice here, the color of solution becomes blue green in color. इसका solution का color क्या आएगा? Blue green in color. Color of solution is a blue green in color. Now क्यों आएगा? Because this copper oxide which is a dissolved in HCl, वो क्या हो जाएगा? कॉपर ऑक्साइड इट इज़ अ डिजॉल्व इन HCl में डिजॉल्व हो जाएगा. द ब्लू कलर सॉल्यूशन ड्यू टू द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कॉपर क्लोराइड क्या होगा फिर? देन इट विल फॉर्म द कॉपर क्लोराइड. इट विल फॉर्म द कॉपर क्लोराइड. नाउ हियर इज अ जनरल रिएक्शन. आई विल टोल्ड यू दिस जनरल रिएक्शन. आई विल एक्सप्लेनिंग दिस. हियर मेटल ऑक्साइड react with acid, we will get salt and water. Okay, now for this metal oxide react with salt and water means metal oxide. Let's took a metal oxide. Take a example for this metal oxide. We will take here a calcium oxide. रिएक्ट विथ एसिड मीन्स HCl हम ले लेते हैं यहाँ पे. इट विल गेट क्या मिलेगा हमें? कैल्शियम क्लोराइड प्लस वाटर. हियर इज द एग्जाम्पल फॉर दिस. व्हेन द मेटल ऑक्साइड रिएक्ट विथ एसिड इट विल गेट द सॉल्ट एंड वाटर. इट विल गेट द सॉल्ट एंड वाटर. क्लियर है? नाउ here reaction of non-metallic oxide with base. Same, when the non-metallics is react with base it will give a salt and water. Same salt and water ही हमें मिलेगा. Now for example of this we will take the example for this base. Non-metal is react with base, that is non-metal means sulfur dioxide. React with base means NaOH is a base. we will get here Na2SO4 sodium sulfate plus water. This is a reaction for non-metal oxide with base. Same we will observe here salt and water. When the non-metal is react with base, we get a salt and water. Salt and water, here is an example for this reaction. Now today we will stop here. In next class we will discussing about acids and all bases have in common, that is this. Okay, now here we will stop.